Hello and welcome to a short little tutorial I'm doing on how to get the Technic Launcher. A lot of people wanted me to do this because I have my mod pack and Technic Launcher. You can just play mod Minecraft for free. This is what it looks like. Basically, it's opening that. So I'm gonna show you how to get it. So first, go to Safari, Chrome. I usually use Safari. So whatever you use to get to Google, doesn't even have to be Google, but whatever you want to do with it. And then we go to technicpack.net and you come here, get the launcher, click on it, and then it shows that picture. Click on what you are. If you're Windows, click this. Apple, click this. I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna click Apple. Here we go. Oop, I did. And as you can see, two Technic launchers. I'll stop this one because it's going slower. We now have two. And then all you have to do is drag it out. Okay. Double click on it. Now, if you click Apple, or if that ever comes up on Apple, short tap. So that comes up. Go to System Preferences and go to Security and Privacy and go to Open Anyway. And then click Open. And here we go, just open for you. If it doesn't come up or you're on Windows or something else where that doesn't happen, then you don't know how to do it. But if that ever happens, that works for anything. But just so, yes. And then here you are. I am like this, but it might be different from you because you is gonna come in some other way. Let me show you. So basically, I logged in and clicked Remember Me. So it automatically comes out without me having to put in a password or anything. But you will, so if I open this, and I go to log out, well, here, the username. So basically, you can put your Minecraft username, your Minecraft email, your email, Minecraft password for the email. But what I suggest doing is this, and click remember this account, just so it's going to happen. And if you add multiple, you can just go to the list right there. And so remember login, you can close it out, get back on it quickly now. But you would do, but another way, so this is how I did it. Technicpack.net. I'm not really sure about other emails. So basically what you have to do is click register. Here we go. So I said it's slow. I have something that's installing right now. Here. Create it. And then you can sign in this. If you ever want to create your own mod pack, you're going to have to do this. So, once you do that, and you have your email, your username, and your password. So, when we got to that, there was the username up here. And, put in what it was. You can either put the email. You can either put the email that you used here. You can either put so let's say hi, and then hi, and then my username can be Skeleton56. This can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And then click on that robot, create account. So basically what you do is here you either put hi, or should be Skeleton56. And then you put that password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You don't have to be that, but just as an example, I did that. And that's basically it. I'll do another tutorial on how to actually create a mod pack. You will have to do this no matter what type of mod pack. I can just sign in. Here it all is. Done. Digit. If you're using 2FA, I don't know. No, I'm not going to do anything with that. But anyway, so that's basically how you get it. Then it's just going to open. And downloading mod packs is very simple. On here, I'll show you how to do it from their website. So history. So the way you would do it is we go to mod packs. Mod packs up top. You can here a bunch of one. You can search. So let's say my French just never. Never Nevermind 2. Search, you can have server only. You can, and if you don't have a name, you see if you don't have a name, you can go trending, most popular, stuff like that. All this stuff here. There are more pages down here. Server only if you can make servers with it or anything. Let's say search it for there. The other way is also if you get one. When you get one, so I keep going back and forth. When you click on one, the way you get it, that's just how you find it. So yeah, come here, mod packs. You can do the same thing, and it's gonna come up here, or you can, it will have overview. I don't know what's on here. Let's go. It might be updates. It's different, I think, depending on what you want it. You can like it, follow it, report it. So there's usually a link. I don't know where they put it. I don't know. Oh no, that's the one. Install the smart pack. There you go, up there. And so here, copy this. Or for me, I just drag this out. So highlight it. It doesn't really work with copy and paste. So I wouldn't copy and paste it. Put it there. And then you can drag it in. And that's like an IP for something. Server IP, Super Mario IP. And make sure that thing, it doesn't work with the copy and paste. That's why I never do copy and paste. So let's try Control V, no, Control C, Control P. You see, it doesn't work with it. But anyway, you drag this into there. I don't know why it's not working. Anyway, you drag it into there, and the red one will come up, and then you can click on it. Let's see, which one have I not? So, there are a few that come pre there. Okay, so I never use this. Delete pack. And so now it says install. You click install, and then it turns to that same thing, but there's a delete pack and play. Click play, and it will load it for you. It's all completely free. 100% free. And you can basically play normal modern Minecraft. And the only even thing is, look, there's even a vanilla thing on there. So it's like you can play normal Minecraft for free without paying that $20. Because there's a mod pack with no mods. It's called vanilla. And so yeah, they all have servers and stuff. So that's just a really easy way to, I guess, like you could play on servers or play Minecraft for free, basically, I guess. So yeah, that's basically how to get the Technic Launcher. If you like this tutorial, please suggest any other tutorial you want to do. Suggest any video you want to see. Comment, like, subscribe, share my channel with everybody. And yeah, basically, you're welcome. If this helped you, that you're welcome. If it didn't, then wait till the tutorial that will help you comes out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later.